In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags to contacts in HubSpot. Let's start right from your HubSpot home dashboard. Click the Settings gear to open your account settings. In the left sidebar, go to Data Management, then choose Properties. This is where we manage the fields that live on your records. Next, make sure you're working with the contact object by selecting Contact Properties. We're going to create a new property that will store your tags. Click Create Property. Give your property a clear, memorable label. Something like Contact Tags works well, so your team instantly knows what it's for and can find it in filters and lists later. For the field type, choose multiple checkboxes. This lets you apply more than one tag to the same contact, which is perfect for segmenting people by interest, lifecycle, or programs. Then select Tag as the option style. Tags are simple, visual labels, short keywords that appear as pill-shaped markers, designed to help you categorize and quickly filter contacts without changing core data like lifecycle stage. Now set up your options. Rename the first checkbox option to your first tag. Keep it short and consistent. Think VIP, Newsletter, or Event 2026. Click Add option to create a second one and rename it to your next tag. Click Add option again and rename your third tag. You can always add, remove, or refine these options later, but starting with a clean, consistent naming convention will save time and reduce confusion across your team. When your label, field type, style, and options look good, click Create Property to save it. Your new Contact Tags field is now available throughout HubSpot. Let's apply these tags to records. Head to CRM, then click Contacts. Select the contacts you want to tag. For this walkthrough, select all contacts to see the bulk update flow in action. Click Edit to open the bulk edit panel. Choose the property to update. Search for and select the contact tags property you just created. Open the dropdown and check the tag options you want to apply. Because we used multiple checkboxes, you can select more than one tag at once for the same group of contacts. When you're ready, click Update to apply those tags to the selected records. That's it. Your contacts are now tagged. You can confirm by opening a record and checking the property, and you can immediately use these tags to filter views, build lists, and trigger workflows. Pro tip: keep your tag list lean and standardized to maintain clean reporting and easy segmentation over time. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, subscribe for more.